her flawless alabaster skin. Her proud breasts seem to be saying, is it just me or is it cold in here?
Oh. Ah!
So, pouty, flaxen, proud. What do you need a photograph? This book is about me.
Oh. Oh, wow.
I don't see Blanche. Oh, she said she'd be over right Blanche is handling this a lot better than I would. I would kill Gloria if she ever wrote about my sexual escapades. You give your sister over a pamphlet? So many books. I know, this is a bookstore. If you need me, I'll be in the bitter choke of celebrity
All
section.
right, class. And also, it's by teaching of skills and opportunities. Edward's puppy. The Janet milk brownies. Where's the brownie? No, you're not the Brian Watterson. He's different than milk. Milk. It's not milk. No, milk.
Is this a story about someone getting lost? Well, don't tell us, show us.
I know. Oh.
Magda, there are two books that I want you to read. The first one is Thomas Paine's Common Sense. I think it'll give you some idea of what freedom is all about.
Stop laughing,
And the second is
jerk.
Alan White's autobiography.
Over here. Wait a minute. I said Brian Watterson. Big head behind. Kick your bullies, bull ass. Parking the Stem Park Serial roller coaster. Ah! That's Saint-Hams.
What'd you think? Well, I should have known I couldn't trust you. That all that let's be sisters stuff was just a bunch of bull.
Some puppet show. There's a puppet in for you. Now you gotta watch the lunchtime, the water park, and the wet water. I'm thinking. Oh, yeah. They're teaching a school. Alright, class. Is that what you mean? And what can I do? How are you? Mr. Brothers, there's not two with this, but I provide a Latin Mr. Principal Standard I go back tomorrow. You're free? No, you're not. Oh, you reason the cover brush and you are runaways. Oh, you are stopping me quietly. Ah.
Extra time in any of the 4 theme parks every day. Plus, stay longer and save more with up to 35% on rooms at select Disney Resort hotels. Why would you stay anywhere else?
Mom, I said go sit down. Now. Oh my god, it get worse. This nightmare's cake in the bullies. Mom and Dad is all gone. I need to see you do. I'll get upstairs. Mom, I can get you cookies. I got you cookies. Hi, Dad. What are you doing here? I was buying it. Hi, Victoria. What's yours? What's yours? I'm Mr. Principal Bryce Danner. Unfortunately, going to school tomorrow and next year, I can see the teaching of the boys on what's get through.
You founded your kayak company because you love the ocean, not spreadsheets. You need to hire. I need Indeed. Indeed you do. Indeed Instant Match instantly delivers quality candidates matching your job description. Visit Indeed.com/hire. There's an easier way. With Thumbtack. Download the app today and care for your home from top to bottom.
Hey!
We all know butt odor
something we all have in common, right? We put Lumi to the test and compared it to a shower with soap and water alone. But 12 hours after a shower with soap and water and then applying Lumi, the odor score was 0. Odor's gone.
As babies to you yesterday.
I
love you, the mama speaking. I will to you, you do right there, the Mrs. Christ. Dr. Strauss. Why are you doing this? I'm Mr. Family's father's mother, father, sister's brother. That's right.
It's restored my joints without temporarily masking their symptoms and without scary side effects. When you can find a product
I'm tired with this. Watch and learn. Deep learning and teaching skills. Alright, class. And you are you today. Save your fathers and self. Where are you car during the baby socials play? That's right. I'm a girl and baby sisters I got right there, man. Out of the window on and moving and no colors and no reasons is not dead. Say this in baby's words and this baby words. That's right, I can get these right. Like a rubber. I can cut the money back to their teeth when this stuff okay. I was thinking the person how you can always short. How are you? The baby sisters tonight the wasted that warms his ups and sides and downs. And when the easy right here is billion. Alien, what are you doing? I'm inside the eye also. I am. Happy.
What really gets me is I was willing to be friends. But just
Wait, be. That's not right, class.
You know something, Flash? You're not the only one who ever had a problem with sisters. When I was a kid, I had a doll.
Watching him. WB Actual National Television. That's right. Finished him off.
So your sister broke your
Dad, what are you doing? He's thinking he does.
She was my favorite doll.
And that's why I'm a pediatrician. He's not principal status yesterday.
But eventually,
I'm sorry, Mom. I'm glad to see you today.
sisters are harder
No
to
one to
replace
be
than
a
dolls.
boyfriend.
So we made up.
Bully not.
Right then and there, never ever to fight over something so childish and silly again. My favorite.
Goodbye. Bye.
A sister story I think you'll find interesting.
She didn't
I
just break it, she
kicking
made it
her
so the
off.
eyes would never close again. She made Mrs. Doolittle
Oh my God. I can get worse.
I just didn't feel it was big enough.
Nightmare.
My eye on the Great White Way. So I went to St. Gustav, the city that never naps.
I get the movie theaters.
First night I walked around in amazement. They had their own Fogomat. It wasn't as large as the format you see today. Now here's the scary part. Suddenly, I realized I was this frightened little girl alone in the big city.
accident my foot.
It started to rain.
Okay, boys, all you buy here into my butts. Details are 145%. You cry. You going to school? You to school today? Yep.
There I was.
Clothes and on. You take your clothes and got socks on and shoes on to go to school.
The rain,
Okay?
but then it hit me.
Okay.
When I went home to say
Oh.
I passed on this bit of street smart.
Nice work in teaching, boy. I get this lesson. Now, goodbye. Bye. Bye.
I was a town celebrity until the phrase "watch out for that tractor" caught on.
Oh, Jesus.
What
How are
was
you
it that
doing?
to assist
We're using my phone.
St. Olaf and St.
Say
Gustav were
it.
sister cities.
What's open it? Open it. Open it.
Doolittle's hair get singed? Did it herself? I think not.
I
Very bad fight.
secret police. And what? I turned her over to secret police. No more to tell. I didn't do this.
You might be onto something.
About the passion.
I won't stop. True Justice Family Ties. All new Friday at 9
Get
on
get
Hallmark
worse.
Movies Mysteries. Nature's Bounty Hair Growth. Clinically shown to help grow thicker, fuller hair with just one capsule a day of advanced hair complex. Conquer hair thinning.
And fall in love with your hair all over again.
Only from Nature's Bounty.
At the Home Depot, you'll find top brand kitchen appliances that just fit. In store and online. They'll fit your budget, your space. With innovative features, they'll fit your
His wheel's trying. Now you're on to get the button seat. And now on to buy air into my butt. And you're stairs kicking bully.
The Hercules,
Oh my.
the elephant,
Watch that out.
they can lead to cramps. It absorbs quickly to relief from muscle cramps and spasms. A safe,
Do
gentle
you just kick your bully? And you're kicking bully. Ow!
For fast relief of muscle cramps and spasms, TheraWorks.
Ow!
And get back at it.
Teaching stuff isn't we're here to bully.
I said drop your baby and get dating. You're making it up.
There's an easier way.
You can get up to $500 in 5 minutes or less when you download the And we're live. With Tosh shows, you have direct access to Tosh
Ow! Stop bullying!
options starting as low as $3.
Bully!
Tosh shows, the newest way to score the deal
These
of a lifetime
Peter is
at Posh Mart.
kicking a
Start
boy the
free
wall.
today.
Okay.
Ow! 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 Ow!
Let's imagine that LL Cool J has a roll around doing our hands. There are some situations that young homies say to their parents just can't handle.
Playing piano.
Right? Why are you kicking bully?
But we can save money when you put them all.
Why are you doing this over that door?
Just take the picture.
Don't open it! Open that door!
If you apply blood pressure or diabetes and get a cough,
What the?
Safe Tussin is specially formulated for you.
What this boy's bullying? Why do you get over that door that feels sick? Right, what is it?
Or impact your blood sugar. Play it safe with Safe Tussin.
Don't open it!
$6.99 for the DQ chicken strip basket. Oh, just $6.99 for the whole basket. But it's only for a limited time. Let's go get it.
Guys! What are you doing? It's sick! I don't want teaching the skills. Sick, guys. I don't want teaching.
Bad news. I must
That's
shorten
why
my
I
stay.
want is it.
In fact, I'm
Why
leaving
do
tomorrow.
you get hurt?
Coffee table. I want to do a coffee.
Ow. My head. It's getting hurt. Everything's
Because of something very
Brian, why are you doing this? Kicking bullies, huh? Kicking bullies. Principal Standard is teaching the bad tomorrow. And do it next week. See you next week. See you next week, Fry. See you next week. See you next week.
Dorothy,
Next week.
let it go.
See you next week.
Anyway, that trip changed her life, and now I must have courage to change mine. I'm going back
Oh
with what I
my
learned.
God, you get worse. Every day is a one day upset that down. Easy control.
I told you. Anyway, now I must go pack my things. And again, Rose, thank you for story.
You know, isn't life funny? Last night in bed, I told myself that nobody listens to your stories, Rose. Quit telling them. And I swore I would never tell another story as long as I live. And then you hear something like this, and you
Bullies?
realize these stories make a difference.
What now, bullies? Is Rod Waterson's take your shutters to run away alive?
Sort of like that happened to Hans
Is
Webster.
dirty clothes?
I hope it's stiff.
Get it, Rose.
Ugh.
Charmaine? Blanche, look who's here. It's Charmaine. Oh, good. Ringside seats. Funny, Bob. Among other things, your apology. Well, unless I missed a newsflash, hell did not present
fucking report. You call me a liar. Fuck up. Oh no. What do you say? Where are you thinking going, right?
Now you listen, and you listen good.
That's the last chance in the boys is hitting car camera. Look and see, and it's the baby. Ew! Stink! You're not getting stink, and you're jerk, and you are stink talks and not loud. Where you stink that floor?
Oh, I guess I just been a fool.
Why, Watersons? Why Watersons?
Blanche, we're an awful lot alike. Too much alike. It's probably why we never got along. That also might be the reason.
Know what you get? Oh, you're coupling me.
My God, you're right. Oh, except for that part, of course, where Dixon is terrified.
Oh my God, it gets worse.
Alone, I've never felt like that. Of course, me neither. That's what makes it fiction.
Attention, Bry! Your hair is get close, Mistress Puppy. We had this drink of water. Yeah, I can drink of water. I can have this. Drink of water.
Ready to try.
I can take a chance with this. Oh, thank you, Bob. What's this days? Let's drink a buzz. A baby's teeth will be quiet.
Come on, now, a big cup of coffee. Oh, darling, I smudged your makeup. I messed up your hair.
What the hell is going on? The magic hut and we are cold. I can see and there's a class in the morning. And to the buzzer by air into my butts and we're taking a classroom. I want to see the day I knew that. Nice work, boys. Oh, Fry, have your quick good time. I love you, boy. I'm glad to see you. Today is here tomorrow. I get borrowed tonight. Yes, you promise? Yeah.
And where is it going?
Oh, by the way, right after I got in, you got a phone call. Oh, from a Glenn, somebody.
Glenn O'Brien?
Uh-huh.
Did he leave a number?
Who's Glenn O'Brien? He's the married guy she shacked up with.